Become financially free, day 97. I have been doing freelance digital marketing, and yesterday I received this email.
We just completed a payout to you of $454.
I promote digital products, and when someone buys through my link, I can make a commission. Basically, I drive traffic to a simple website to collect a name and an email address. And once I have that information, I can send emails to do the follow-up.
And I put my links inside of the emails.
Let me show you the strategy I use to collect leads.
I use ClickFunnels to build the opt-in pages. And if I click on funnels, let me show you this one, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook. So this funnel has 3 steps. First step is the opt-in page, and I use this page to collect information when people click this button. In the second page, I tell people that I'm going to send this ebook through email. And the third page is the bridge page, in which I have here a simple video explaining the next steps and this button. And when people click this button, they will go to my affiliate offer. What I do is that I drive traffic to this simple page and I collect an email. Then I redirect people to my affiliate offer. And I have an email sequence in which I'm promoting the same affiliate offer and supporting offers. And this system has multiple profit zones in these areas.
And the most important thing that I work every day is to build my own email list.
As you can see on the screen, I have 1,079 emails.
Remember that the more emails you collect, the more money you will make. If you have any questions or if you want to learn, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.